Good day guys, and welcome to another video. As you guys know, I'm back in Trinidad, and right now I'm in the home I grew up in St. Anne's in Port of Spain. Usually when I come back I live in south of Trinidad. Well, this is the very north, and I grew up in the mountains. I live on a hill called Mount Hololo. It's a real word, and that is the view. That is the St. Anne's Valley, and that hill, that mountain you see on the other side, that's Chancellor Hill. You know, it wasn't like this. It was much smaller and whatnot, but over time, you know, you build. That's a cultural thing here. It's a generational home, and yeah, this is where I grew up, in the, as they say, in the bush. And the good thing is we're very close to Port of Spain. We're only about five minutes drive away from Port of Spain. Could you hear? I don't know if you could. It's picking it up. You're hearing all the insects. You could hear the roosters crowing early in the morning, and sometimes you hear parrots singing. You know, all these sounds that I grew up with. And also, my mother has a pretty good green thumb, man. She loves her flowers and fruit trees and whatnot. So let's take a little tour, and I'll show you around. Here she is. This is the star of the show. This is my mom. Say hello.
Hi.
Yes.
Lovely morning, plenty sunshine.
You give us a little tour, all the plants and stuff around the house.
Yeah, these are the lilies. These ready to go down on the ground. See the size? But I always have to spray them because of the white flies every now and again.
Yeah.
This is a pimento. The leaves smaller.
Pepper.
Yeah, pimento pepper. This is the hot pepper. And this is paprika pepper. It's thin and long. You can tell by the leaves.
You can't plant them now because of what, the rainy season or something?
Yeah, because when it's too much of rain,
the
water does wash away the soil. November is a very, very rainy month. So in December, I will put them down on the ground. And this is lime, catch from seeds. I have here these seasoning. This is rosemary, and this is fine thyme. This is what I just said, but I will show you what it look like when they catch, right? I don't know the name of this, but all I know is pretty.
Yes.
It's simply lovely. This is the fine thyme when they do catch.
Right. And it's good to cook.
Yeah, of course. It's a pity I can't smell it through the camera. And this is periwinkle pink.
Yeah.
A dark pink and white. And I have a variegated one here. Pink and white. I don't know how that happened to be.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah. It mixed here, pink and white. And this is a Saijan tree, you call it.
Saijan.
For medicinal purposes.
This fruit, whatever it is.
Yeah, but you have to peel it and cook it.
Yeah.
But the leaves, you could draw it and drink it as a tea.
Okay. I have these nice white flower ones here.
Yes, and the hummingbird, just feed on it every day.
Nice.
So others avoid spraying here with the diazinon because it's keep away the butterflies. You see butterflies coming through.
I saw bees on it earlier.
Yeah, so I just keep away all the chemicals from here.
Right. This is real nice.
You call that coleus, the botanical name, but we just call it Joseph coat. It comes in so many different colors.
Nice. This is the Spanish thyme, but it's so small.
Yeah, this is a small version. I had the big version on the other side.
When we were small, we had a big tree and we used to send you in the yard when you're cooking and say, go and pick some Spanish thyme and bring it back.
Yeah.
And right there, put it in the pot.
And every day when I cook in, I don't use bottle seasoning.
Fresh.
Yeah.
In the back of the yard, the back of the house. So this is those, these big plants you see in?
Those are ground provision.
Ground provision, those, yeah.
And this is shadow benia seasoning.
Yeah, so this, guys, in my pepper sauce videos, I talk about this. We use cilantro as a substitute, but this is what we really need, is shadow benny. Again, this is something my mom, when we were growing up, we would get sent into the yard to pick a few leaves.
You just take the seed when they dry and throw it.
And plant.
They will go.
So maybe on my way back I'll carry some seeds and plant in Jamaica. What plant is this now?
Tanya, ground provision.
And next to Tanya. Look how the water settles on the leaves.
Yeah, it's still early in the morning.
Yeah. So we're out, we just came out the front door, and here is like a secret magic garden if you look at how much bush it has. Well, not bush, but plants it has all around.
You know about this kind of pepper, Johan?
Yeah, bird pepper.
You get a branch.
See the peppers on it?
Cockroach grass.
Cockroach grass, but it's so pretty.
Yeah, because you don't find like a cockroach.
Guava,
This is guava, yeah.
It's a guava tree.
So these are to transplant.
Okay.
You know, this is a wild water grass, but I just like it.
Wild water grass.
Yeah,
Yeah,
cherry
very
growing
nice.
up like a bamboo. And this is ginger lilies. But they call this a cocoa plant because it cannot be in the sun. They find out when you have a cocoa estate.
Yeah, yeah. I had that there.
Yeah.
And this is a bamboo,
Shiny bamboo.
shiny bamboo.
This is the next plant I like that cannot take sun.
It's just a flower.
Yeah, and sometimes the whole thing just be pretty.
Yeah.
But for now, that's something.
This avocado tree.
Look, you see different foliage,
Yeah.
this kind. You have this one in the back.
Yeah.
And then there's this one.
Right.
So
And
them
a
are
big
cool.
mango tree.
Yeah. And the father watching at that every day he telling me, right, this anything young. Now, look how I make my pots, eh? So I could move it
Yeah.
easily. I cut. So I
Oh,
make,
you
I
cut
make-
a handle.
I cut a handle so I could move them around and place
Yeah.
them wherever I want. Instead of cutting out the whole thing, I have to hold it with both hands.
Right, right.
I
You have
just
a handle.
put it like that.
She was always very creative with stuff like that.
And look the fine time here. And
Going
look,
wild.
actually, it's nice when they're on the ground. And look,
Yeah.
that's the same pretty flowers over there.
Right, right.
These can't take sun. These cannot take sun at all, at all.
Right.
And there's a plum tree, a governor plum.
And this is a sapodilla tree, this big tree here.
Yeah, only 2 sapodillas.
So why you wanted a garden like this? You tell me a story when you were small?
Yeah, when I was small and I go into school,
Yeah,
every day there was this lady. I used to see her in her garden,
yeah,
and the garden had fruit trees
yeah.
and a lot of flowers, and I always used to wish I had one like that.
Right.
And now I have my own place.
Yes.
I make it as close to that as possible with fruits,
Yeah.
with flowers.
Right.
And I have some more upstairs, you
Yeah,
know.
there we go. I'm going up.
This is Julie mango.
Yeah.
We just pick the mangoes with our hands.
Right here.
And this is the lime tree.
It have a lot of lime on it.
Yeah.
Look right here. Limes all over. Everywhere you look, you're getting lime.
And this is mint. You could make tea of this. This is the fine time when it's on the ground.
Yeah.
It strive. See? All these is new trees. From the time stems catch the dirt,
Yeah.
new trees just start to spring
There's
up.
rosemary here.
And this is the rosemary.
Oh yeah, that eucalyptus smell. And this is what, a pawpaw tree? Pawpaw tree.
We know this as figure grass, but
Yeah.
I just see on YouTube they call it lemongrass.
Lemongrass, yeah.
And it's the cherry peppers.
Oh yeah.
Different kind of peppers.
All kind of peppers you guys can see.
Yeah, cherry. They're well tasty, they're not hot.
Okay.
These here, these sugar apple.
Sugar apple.
I like the plants on the wall,
Yeah.
cover the concrete.
And this is the steps we go to get to the road. See the cars park up there. Yeah, this tree grew up from the crack in the concrete here. We don't know where it came from. But take a look at this. And it grew up here.
And for Christmas, show them I'm gonna hang Christmas lights.
Yeah, and I don't know if you guys can see there's some lights on it, but for Christmas, this is like the outside Christmas tree. And it creates this nice shade
Yeah.
coming down.
I just put them hanging.
Thanks to my mom for giving us a little tour of her garden all over. It's always nice to come up and see it. It seems somewhat enchanted. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoy this. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that little tour of my childhood home. You know, little scenes here and there, but mainly this magical garden my mother has curated over the years. Very happy that she was able to make her dream a reality from a little girl and to have this beautiful garden set up in the home that I grew up in. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.